Yeah. Good morning. Introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Rajni Singh Chauhan. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I did my graduation in 2024 from Chamali Devi Group of Institute and pursued a bachelor's of technology in information technology. I had gained multiple skills there, and now I am here in Fusion Institute to gain more and more knowledge about Java full stack development course and eager to be a part of companies.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so can you tell me why Java is platform independent?
First of all, Java uses JVM as a compiler, which is used for which is the main reason for the platform independency. Like in C++, there is the extension called .exe file, and in Java, the dot extension file is class. So the class file depends on the JVM, not on the Windows extension files. So that's why it is platform independent.
Yeah, good. Okay, so can you tell me what is encapsulation in Java?
Okay. So first of all, encapsulation is binding up the data into a package or container. So how we can uh, achieve encapsulation by making the instance variable or local variables as a private, and by getter setter methods we can achieve encapsulation, and we can uh, access them by the help of getter setter method in another class.
Okay, good. Okay, so can you tell me what is constructor and what are the types of constructors are there?
Okay. First of all, constructor is a um, like a have the name of class, the class name without any uh, return type and any access specifiers. So the constructor name depends on the name of class, and it uh, calls when we create the object of class.
Okay, and
There are two types of constructor. Okay, uh, these are default constructor and parameterized constructor.
yeah. Okay, so can you tell me the difference between abstract class and the interface?
Okay, abstract class are like they contains abstract method as well, but they also contain the methods without abstract keyword. If there is a abstract method inside a class, so the abstract keyword should be initialized to the class as well at front of class. And if we talk about interface, it is the pure abstraction. Means there is um, all the um, things inside the abstract interface is a abstract method, and the variables inside it are public static final.
Yeah. Okay, so can you explain me the final keyword in detail?
Okay. If we talk about final, so final is like creating anything final means constant. If we change anything about that thing, then it will not change. If we initialize any variable, if we use final keyword as a in variable, then the variable won't change.
Hmm.
Like if we initialize it with number 10, then it won't change in anywhere in the code. It will be initialized as a constant in entire code.
Yeah. And if we
If
make
we talk about methods, so the methods are if uses final keyword, so it won't be overridden. It could be over loaded, but it won't be overridden. And classes, if classes are defined as final, then it won't be inherited through if the parent class is in uh, designed deployed with the final keyword, then it won't be inherited in child class.
Yeah, good. Okay, so what is string in Java?
String is the collection of sequenced characters,
Mm.
and it has inbuilt uh, package um, uh, called java.lang, and it uses that package for uh, just to write the characters into strings.
Okay. And why strings are immutable?
Ma'am, because first of all, it is secure, and it uses a string literal pool or a string constant pool, which ensures that string literal pool ensures that if we had created any string by using new keyword or string literal pool, so it won't change in entire code. If we change the object of any string, then it should be assigned a different reference, not the change in that particular object.
Okay. And how will you create the mutable string in Java?
Through it, if I talk about the classes of java.lang, there are two more called string buffer and string builder. So if we use a string buffer, then we can uh, use as a mutable strings.
Okay. So can you tell me the real life example of the abstraction?
Real life uh, abstraction. Okay. So first of all, like abstraction is the um, data hiding thing.
Hmm.
Okay. So first of all, if I talk about this laptop, we look about laptop when we buy about when we buy a laptop. So we'll look about the properties of laptop, like what are the qualities of screen, ram, rom. That's it. We don't think about the inbuilt processing, like the motherboard. We don't think about it. So abstraction is a process that hides the um, main internal features and only gives the main features of a program.
Okay. So just tell me what is the difference between this and the super in Java?
Okay, first of all, there are two types. If we want to call any constructor, then we use super with parent what do you call them? Braces,
Hmm.
and uh, likewise in this also, if we use this with a parenthesis, so we can call this parenthesis, so we can call the constructor of same class in the same package. Okay, and if we if we use super with parenthesis, so it will call the parent class constructor in the child class constructor.
Can you pass the parameter in the super?
Parameter, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We can pass the uh, parameters. Like if we pass the parameters in a super, then it will call the parameterized constructor of parent class.
Okay. So can you tell me just why we can not override the static methods?
Okay. So what static means it belongs to the class, not the object. So if we override it, then the over the overridden methods only called through what do you call it? Ma'am, I don't know this answer.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so can you tell me, can you change the access of the method while override it?
While overriding it,
Hmm.
we can't change it. The access specifier. Yeah, we can.
We can change,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So can you tell me the rule behind that?
Ma'am, like if we override anything, so first of all, the written types should be same,
Hmm.
and the name of like identifier of the method should be same, and the uh, parameters or signatures should be same.
Okay.
You are right.
Okay. So what is an array and what is the use of an array?
Ma'am, array is the collection of same data types,
Hmm.
and what is the use of array?
Hmm.
So, ma'am, it is used to store the multiple types of data. This is the main function of array, and if we use array, then we can store multiple data types at a time. Datas.
Okay. So can you store the heterogeneous data?
We can't store heterogeneous.
Okay. Can you tell some drawbacks of the array?
Okay. First of all, uh, array are like they can't be if we assigned any ma'am, what we say, the length of any array,
Mhm.
then uh, if we try to put something more in array, then it gives the error that it won't store it.
Hmm.
So memory delocation will be there, like we won't able to use the more and more things if we bound the array with a length,
Mhm.
and if we ma'am, drawbacks of array are it has fixed size,
Hmm.
and we can't means we can't if we had fixed it, the length of an array, then
Mhm.
we can't store more and more uh, data inside it.
Mhm.
Then if we it stores only a homogeneous uh, data, we can't store heterogeneous data
Mhm.
at once. And last, it is like um, if we try to uh, store less data inside any array,
Mhm.
then it won't will give like error about it.
Mhm.
Okay, if it is a integer type, then it will by default store only 0 0 in it.
Okay.
Like
So
that.
just a last question. Can you tell me what are your strengths and weaknesses?
So first of all, my strengths are, ma'am, I am a positive person, and I think that the rivalry and competition are the main thing that are the reason for someone to hate someone.
Mhm.
So these are my quality that uh, I don't believe in rivalry and competition.
Mhm.
Uh, like if there are my colleagues in my uh, company, then I won't believe that I should um, rival or compete with them. So these are my qualities,
Mhm.
and why this is beneficial. If I go for a group work, then I won't feel anything about them to compete.
Mhm.
So this will make a proper relationship bonding with them, and I think that this would help in contributing to the projects and to the company.
Okay. And what about weaknesses?
Okay, about weaknesses, generally I am an introverted person,
Mhm.
um, and I am like a introvert, and want able to communicate with the more and more peoples. If I am um, comfortable with them, then I am I can talk about myself.
Okay, good.